it's your girl again. This is HBS. If this is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Amori Wame. I am the lead formulator in the Horizon Naturals. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make videos like this. My old subscribers, thank you so much for always returning, and if you're just passing by, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Let's go into the video because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. Okay, so today I will be talking about black soap. Black soap is very important in the natural skincare industry. Okay, so now it's morning here, so I just had my morning routine. I've not really done my makeup and all that, so just accept it the way you see it. So the topic right in front of me here is 5 ingredients that should be in your black soap. If you're in the natural skincare industry, you make black soap and you want that black soap to really be effective and work on people's skin and not give them bad side effects. You don't want bad reviews from your clients, you don't want bad reviews from your friends and family. You should incorporate these 5 ingredients I'm about to list out in your black soap. Okay, first and foremost, what is black soap? Black soap is the only soap that is not made from lye. It's natural. It's made from cocoa pods and some other ingredients. In short, all parts of cocoa is used to make black soap. So black soap is very alkaline with a pH of about 11-12, depending on the black soap. So that kind of soap should not be used on your body like normally. If you don't know how to incorporate it, it will definitely burn your skin, it will itch your skin, it will give you bad reactions. So these are the things you should incorporate in your black soap so you don't get burned and it works for you well. So the first thing on my list here is honey. Honey is very, very essential. Apart from the fact that honey is an humectant, it draws moisture into the skin, it really works well in black soap. When you're making your black soap and you incorporate honey into it, you can put as much as you want in your black soap. Honey doesn't have any side effects, it only has benefits. So you should be able to put honey in your black soap. If you want to melt your black soap or cook it, you can use honey as your base. So that's the first thing. You can read more about honey. It's really very good on your skin, so you can incorporate honey in your black soap. That's one. I really don't want this video to be long, like I said, so I'm going to go straight to the point. So another thing is shea butter or glycerin. Okay, so shea butter is also natural, and you know, it's also very important while making your black soap. Do you understand? If you don't want your black soap to itch, you don't want your black soap to burn your skin, you don't want your black soap to give you rashes and other reaction, you should definitely incorporate shea butter into your black soap. Do you understand? So in your hot face, you can just melt down your black soap and add it to your black soap. And if you don't want to use the hot process, you can use the cold process. Shea butter naturally, when it gets into your black soap, it's, you know, mixed together with it and it incorporates well, and you can't beat the effect of that shea butter in your black soap. It really works like magic. And shea butter or glycerin, I do not advise you to use both shea butter and glycerin in your black soap while you have honey. It might make it you know, running or too loose. You understand? So you just pick one of these two. Either you use a black glycerin or shea butter. If you're making a paste soap, I advise you use shea butter. And if you're making a liquid black soap wash, you can just use honey and glycerin as your base. So the next thing on my list is rice powder. You don't want to imagine the benefit of rice powder and rice water in your black soap. If you're in the natural skincare industry and you don't use rice powder or rice water, then you're missing out. You can just Google the benefit of rice water. It works so well on your skin. It works so well on your hair. It's very, very good. And when you incorporate rice powder into your black soap, you know, it has these lightening properties. It's so good, and it also help your black soap. It's part of the herbal botanicals that I don't know, should I call it herbal botanical? No, not herbal. It's part of the, okay, let me say, botanical powders that should be in your black soap. So I'll be making an extensive video on all this topic to explain it very well, because I really do not want this video to be too long. So the next thing on my list is licorice. Licorice, brown licorice, not the white licorice. Brown licorice should be in your black soap if you want that black soap to work for you. If you want that black soap to be effective, if you want that black soap to glow your skin, if you want that black soap to have lightening properties, licorice should be in your black soap. You all know about licorice. I'm going to go into extensive video about this topic later, like I said earlier on. So I just don't want this video to be too long. So just note down these items, or these ingredients rather, that I listed out. The first thing on my list is honey, followed by shea butter, followed by rice powder, followed by licorice, and lastly on my list. Okay, so before we go into that extensively, I want to quickly tell you that we are having our online training, the last online training for this season, or for this year. It's just a 2 days training. It's basically online. For those that has been disturbing me, because we are having our end of the year clearance sale, which we are almost sold out on all our products, because you know, I also need rest, I also need vacation. So I want to get sold out on all of my products so that I can have a little bit of rest, maybe a week or two, before I will start the new year work, you get. So basically we'll be having that emotion potency training, 2 days training. How to make your lotion, how to make a lightening lotion, how to make a glow lotion, how to make your lotion from scratch. It's basically organic, not promising. And if you want to make your lotion from scratch, you don't want it to go bad, you don't want your lotion to go brown, how to incorporate whitening actives, how to incorporate your serums into your lotion, and all that, so many. So I'll be teaching you emotion potency, how to make your lotion stable. It's very important. How to balance the pH of your lotion, how to increase and lower the pH. I'll be a number showing on the screen, so you can just use that number. It's my direct WhatsApp, so you can just chat me. Please, basically on the training, do not chat me for any other thing besides that training. It's coming, the year is coming to an end, and I'm just going to do that for 2 days, and it's going to be happening on the 19th to 21st of December. So please do well to chat me up if you're interested in the training. Okay, so let me go back to what I'm talking about. The last thing on my list you should incorporate in your black soap to make it work well for you, to reduce the harshness of the black soap, to reduce the alkaline nature of the black soap, is another soap. Yes. If you're making a black soap, because of the fact that black soap is very alkaline, you should incorporate another soap into that black soap while you are making it. You can get antiseptic soap, you can get another already made black soap, you can use your ozone soap, you can use your other whitening balls and all that, but you should incorporate other black soaps, other soap into your black soap. Okay, so lastly, the last thing I'll be talking about, which is a bonus on this topic, is that when you're done making your black soap, please check the pH of that soap. No matter what you put, no matter the botanical herbs, no matter what you have inside your black soap, please and please check the pH of that black soap. Be it you're making a paste soap or you're making a liquid wash, please check the pH of that black soap. If the pH is not 7, please do not use that black soap. Try to adjust the pH. If you want to know how to adjust the pH of your organic product or your skincare products rather, then you should just subscribe. Do well to hit the subscribe button so you get more videos, because I'll be posting videos on how to increase the pH of your product and how to lower the pH of your product. Thank you. I've come to the end of this video. See you. Bye.